Hey, my friends. Welcome back to the English Beat. It's Ben here, and today we're doing a quick shadowing session, something you can practice anytime, anywhere. Whether you're getting ready for work, taking a short break, walking outside, or winding down before bed, this exercise fits perfectly into your day. Here's how it works. You listen, you speak with me, and you follow my voice. No pressure, no perfection. Just repeat after me and let the words flow. All right, let's begin. Useful daily phrases. Can I ask you something? Can I ask you something? Do you have a moment? Do you have a moment? I want to tell you something. I want to tell you something. I have a small question. I have a small question. I want to share an idea. I want to share an idea. Social and confidence phrases. It's great meeting new people. It's great meeting new people. I enjoy having conversations. I enjoy having conversations. I like learning about others. I like learning about others. Everyone has a unique story. Everyone has a unique story. Feelings and emotions. I feel good today. I feel good today. I feel calm and relaxed. I feel calm and relaxed. I feel positive and focused. I feel positive and focused. I feel ready for my day. I feel ready for my day. Sometimes I feel tired. Sometimes I feel tired. Sometimes I feel stressed. Sometimes I feel stressed. Sometimes I feel worried. Sometimes I feel worried. But that's okay. But that's okay. These feelings are normal. These feelings are normal. Everyone feels this way sometimes. Everyone feels this way sometimes. Self-care. When I feel tired, I rest. When I feel tired, I rest. When I feel stressed, I breathe. When I feel stressed, I breathe. When I feel worried, I slow down. When I feel worried, I slow down. When I feel sad, I talk to someone. When I feel sad, I talk to someone. Talking helps me understand my feelings. Talking helps me understand my feelings. I try to be kind to myself. I try to be patient. I focus on small steps. I focus on small steps. Small steps are enough. Small steps are enough. Asking for help. Can you help me with this? Can you help me with this? I need a little help. I need a little help. I'm not sure what to do. I'm not sure what to do. Can you explain it to me? Can you explain it to me? Can you show me how to do it? Can you show me how to do it? I didn't understand that part. I didn't understand that part. Could you speak a bit slower? Could you speak a bit slower? Thank you so much for your help. Thank you so much for your help. I really appreciate your time. I really appreciate your time. Motivation and learning. I'm learning English every day. I'm learning English every day. I practice a little every morning. I practice a little every morning. I'm improving step by step. I'm improving step by step. Learning takes time. Learning takes time. It takes patience. It takes patience. It takes practice. It takes practice. It takes consistency. It takes consistency. And I can do it. And I can do it. All right, my friends. Amazing work today. Shadowing may be simple, but it's incredibly powerful. Come back tomorrow, repeat with me again, and keep growing your English one step at a time. I'm Ben, and this is the English Beat. Keep practicing, keep learning, keep growing. See you next time.